There are several ways to make money from Instagram, but it requires a significant amount of time, effort, and dedication. Here are some common ways people make money on Instagram. Sponsored posts. As an influencer, you can partner with brands and companies to promote their products and services to your followers. The brands will pay you for the sponsored posts, and the payment can vary depending on your follower count, engagement rate, and niche. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products on your Instagram account. This involves including a special link in your bio or story that directs your followers to a product or service. If someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you will receive a percentage of the sale. Selling products. You can use Instagram to promote and sell your own products, such as physical merchandise or digital products like ebooks, courses, or artwork. Brand collaborations. You can collaborate with other Instagram users or brands to create content and share it on both accounts. This can help you grow your following and reach new audiences. Sponsored events. As an influencer, you may be invited to attend events and share your experience with your followers. You can negotiate payment for your attendance or coverage of the event. Remember that building a following on Instagram takes time and effort, and it's important to create content that resonates with your audience. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your followers, and growing your following organically. With persistence and dedication, you can start to make money from Instagram.